Oh no, someone fell down. What should we do? Today, we're going to learn about the basic first aid approach. Before you approach a patient, you should always ensure that the scene is safe. Otherwise, you may end up as another patient. Now, you have to assess the patient's condition. You use the acronym AVPU. A as in he's awake, V as in he's responding to verbal cues, P as in he's responding to physical cues like shaking him on the shoulder, and U as in he's totally unconscious. Now, if you think the situation is very serious, you should call the local emergency hotline. Or you can find a first aider that's more experienced than you in dealing with these situations. Stay with the patient until the first aider or the medical services arrive.